The best shrubs for Zone 5 picked by the experts. Bicolor Butterfly Bush. The Bicolor Butterfly Bush features two-tone flowers that transition from light pink to purple throughout the bloom cycle. Tiny trumpet-shaped flowers have an orange eye and bloom in cone-shaped clusters. Blue Chiffon Rose of Sharon. Add some true blue beauty to your landscape with this long-lived, easy-care shrub. Large, single, lacy blue flowers give a commanding performance when they nearly smother the branch tips for weeks in summer on this robust shrub, which reaches 8 to 12 feet tall and 4 to 6 feet wide. Oh so easy urban legend rose. This is this true red rose your yard needs. Oh so easy urban legend rose is a disease-resistant true red rose with semi-double blooms. It is a long and continuous bloomer with a generous bloom season. Adding to its features, it is simple to care for. Proudberry Coral Berry. Proudberry Coral Berry, Symphoricarpos sp. is a very tough plant that produces leaves of green spring through fall. In late summer, it has bell-shaped white or pink flowers. In early fall, these flowers become pink fruit. Pumpkin Street John's Wort. Pumpkin St. John's Wort is one versatile plant. It is a shrub that can be cut back like a perennial. It can be grown in the garden in large groups to act as a ground cover, especially on slopes. It can be grown in a container year-round with an ever-changing backdrop of annuals. Purple Pillar Rose of Sharon. Looking for a standout plant in the garden? Purple Pillar Rose of Sharon is it. For those of you with limited space or looking for a focal point in the garden or a screening plant, Purple Pillar will fill your need. Sugar Shack Buttonbush. For an attractive, fragrant, and native shrub, look no further than Sugar Shack Buttonbush. The native bog plant is an excellent choice for wet areas and rain gardens. Sugar Shack takes on all the qualities of the larger native shrub, but in a smaller size and with glossy foliage. Sugartina Crystallina Summersweet. You know a plant like Sugartina Crystallina Summersweet that has two sweet words in its name must smell wonderful. This sugartina has fragrant white flowers that appear by midsummer. The plant, Clethra alnifolia, is native to North America, so it adapts well to conditions in zones 4 through 9. The original endless summer hydrangea. The original endless summer hydrangea is the first hydrangea that blooms both on the previous year's branches as well as the new season's growth. Tuff Stuff Aha Hydrangea. The Tuff Stuff Aha trademark hydrangea by proven winners. Color choice is a compact, reblooming mountain hydrangea. This shrub blooms every year without fail. It also puts a lot of energy into creating new blooms throughout the year. Explore the best shrubs for Zone 5 picked by the experts. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.